So one of the problems that we picked up with the previous workshops is that there were some people who had some logistical issues with customizing the spreadsheet, the Omni-CBR spreadsheet, so that they could see various options on the company information sheet specifically. And that would then impact their ability to customize the rest of the workshop. So I'm just going to hand over to Akashen to just explain how do you solve that technical problem if that has happened on your workshop, on your worksheet, because some people had the problem on the spreadsheets, some people didn't. And just to make sure that everyone can actually play around with the spreadsheet so that you can see all the questions, Akashen's just going to explain to you how to deal with this. And he's also going to post the instructions in the chat functions. And then after Akashen has explained that, I'll explain to you how do you participate in today's workshop. Akashen, over to you.
Thanks, Charene. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so in our previous workshops, we also had a question where the industry asked, where do they find the Omni-CBR spreadsheet? So I'm going to take you from the start. So this is our FSCA homepage. So we'll go to regulated entity, regulatory framework, and we go to industry communication. Oh, sorry, let me share my screen. Sorry. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so on the homepage of the FSCA website, we would go to regulatory framework, and we'll go to industry communication, and then you will click on general, there's a little plus sign. We'll click on FSCA communication, and it's the first zip folder on the top. So when you click on that, the folder will download. You open the folder, and then you will find the spreadsheet, the first attachment there. So if you open the spreadsheet, you click on enable editing. Yeah, and then you start customizing your sheet. So when you go to company information, I'm just going to select the type of customers here to show you what happens. So once you select your information over here, the spreadsheet's supposed to open up below line 26, and it doesn't do that. Even if you click on customize, it gives you an error which requests you to enable the macro. So all you need to do is go to file, click on options, click on trust center, yeah, and then click on trust center settings, and then macro settings. Click on macro settings, and then you click on the last one that says enable the VBA macros. All right, once you've done that, you click trust access VBA project model, and you click OK and click OK. All right, you then need to save the worksheet. So you can save it on the desktop, or you can make a folder that you want to save it in. So just for this exercise, I'm going to save it on the desktop. And then you save it as an Excel macro enabled workbook. Desktop, save it. Then you close the worksheet. Yeah, and then when you go to your desktop, you'll find it on the desktop with a little exclamation mark on the spreadsheet. And when you open it, you go back to company information. right? And then if you just reselect your information here, the spreadsheet opens up below line 26, and then you can carry on editing your spreadsheet. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Akash.